Hello students, let us continue exercise 6.1, highest common factor and lowest common multiple. We have already done question number 1 and 2. Now we discuss question number 3. Write the multiples of the following numbers and find their lowest common multiple. Question number 3, first part, value of age 4, 6. 4, 6. Now we write multiples of 4 are 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36 and so on. Now multiples of 6 are 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42 and so on. Common multiple of 4 and 6 are, first common multiple is 12, 12, comma, 24, 24, comma, 36 and so on. Hence LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Hence LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 12 is the least common multiple of 4 and 6. This is your required answer. Now we discuss D part 14, 21. Write the multiples of 14 and 21 and find lowest common multiple. Now we write multiples of 14 are 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28, 14 3 ja 42, 14 4 ja 56, 14 5 ja 70, 14 6 ja 84, 14 7 ja 98 and so on. Multiples of 21 are 21 1 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42, 21 3 ja 63, 21 4 ja 84, 21 5 ja 105 and so on. Common multiples of 14 and 21 are 42, 42 and next 84, 84 and so on. Hence LCM of 14 and 21 is 42. 42 is the smallest common multiple. So we also say that this is your LCM of 14 and 21. That is 42. This is your required answer. Now next part is 16, 20. Multiples of 16 are 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 3 ja 48, 16 4 ja 64, 16 5 ja 80, 16 6 ja 96, 16 7 ja 112, 16 8 ja 128, 16 9 ja 144, 16 10 ja 160, 16 11 ja 176 and so on. Multiples of 20 are 21 ja 20, 22 ja 40, 23 ja 60, 24 ja 80, 25 ja 100, 26 ja 120, 27 ja 140, 28 ja 160, 29 ja 180, 2010 ja 200 and so on. Common multiple of 16 and 20 are, first common multiple of 16 and 20 are, that is 80, 80, 80 and next that is 160. So we write common multiple of 16 and 20 are 80, 160, 204 and so on. So LCM of 16 and 20 is 80. This is your smallest common multiple of 16 and 20. Also we say that lowest common multiple, that is LCM, that is 80. Now we discuss fourth part. Find the LCM of the following by prime factorization. By prime factorization, first we find the prime factor of 8. Now resolving the factor of 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, resolving the prime factor of 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Now we write 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Hence LCM of 12 and 8 and 12 is equal to, now we write the maximum factor 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and also 3. We write maximum number of times of prime factor. 2 occurs 3 times, but 2 occurs 2 times, so we write maximum times, that is 2 occurs 3 times, and 3 occurs only 1 times, and there is no 3 in the factor of 8, so we write 3 also. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 24 is the LCM of 8 and 12. Now next number is 15, 25, 40 by prime factorization. Prime factor of 15, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. 2 20 is 40, 2 10 is 20, 2 5 is 10, 5 1 is 5. Prime factor of 15, 3 into 5. Prime factor of 25, 5 into 5. Prime factor of 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. LCM of 15, 25, 40. Now we write 2 occurs 3 times, and 15 and 25 has no factor of 2. So we write maximum number of times 2, that is 3 times, so we write 2 into 2 into 2. Now next prime factor 3. 3 occurs only 1 times, but 25 and 40 have no prime factor of, that is 3. So we write only 1 3. Now 5 occurs 1 time, 5 occurs 2 times, 5 occurs 1 time. So we write maximum number of time. Prime factor of 5, 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50, 50 2 ja 100, 100 2 ja 200, 200 3 ja 600. 600 is the LCM of 15, 25 and 40. This is your least common multiple of 15, 25, 40. Now E part 15, 16, 24 by prime factorization. Prime factor of 15, 3, 5, 3 into 5. Prime factor of 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factor of 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now LCM of 15, 16 and 24. Here smallest factor is 2. 2 occurs 3 times. 2 occurs 4 times. 15 has no factor, that is 2. 2 does not find the prime factor of 15. So we write maximum number of prime factor of 2, that is 4 times. 1 2 3 4. We write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. Now next prime factor 3. 3 occurs only 1 times, so maximum, that is 3. Now 5 occurs 1 time, so we write maximum, that is 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 16 5 ja 80. 80 3 ja 204. 204 is the LCM of 15, 16 and 24. This is your required answer. Now do exercise 6.1 in your fair notebook. Thank you.